It's a Sunday here in the UK. Well, it's a Sunday everywhere. Well, it depends on what time, I guess. I was using my two Bullworkers. I've got a system going that works for me. I use a regular one and the big man, red one, for certain exercises. Bullworker have been in touch. They said, send us your email address, so I did. And they said, we'd like to send you something. See what you think of it. And it's turned up, so thank you very much for that. It's obviously smaller. I looked online, I'd looked and seen what's on offer. There are various things. I don't really know what to expect. I've got a rough idea, but, well, I've got my knife, and I'll do an unboxing. See what's what. It'll be easier. Has it got? Yes, it's got tape. Oh, has it? Oh. Maybe I don't need the knife. Oh yes, I do. That happens every time, you know. Oh, I wondered where it came from. It says Amazon DE. And somewhere on here it said Belgium. So I've got no idea. Oh, maybe we can see all this actually. Sorry about that. Wow, I like that nice bright yellow. Oh. Something else. That's great. A little bit of evening's reading. Okay, this is a steel bow. Wow. He might look hench. He looks hencher than the one from the 60s. Some reading for later. Redefining fitness since 1962. I'll go on here. Springs. Wow. Foreman. Yes, the red one is. As you can kind of see, I think, from the thickness. Seems to be the easiest one. Not entirely sure what that is. Got a rubber mat to read the instructions. Neighbours having a good time. Good on them. Well, we seem to be a mini Bullworker. Hey. Presumably I need a stronger spring. That must be the weak. Surprised you get 4 springs. I don't wonder what the one in there is. There's obviously a way of getting in there to exchange them. I'll have to look that up. This one's I could do the stronger one than that perhaps. Ah, see something here. You should read the instructions first, shouldn't you really? Brake. I'm not breaking it. There we go. Ah. I wonder. I'll report back later because on that, this bit's slightly worn. I'm wondering if this is the same fit. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Like an order spare part. Might not be though. I'll look at that. Everything seems well made. Very weak. I'm going to put the black one in, which I think is kind of in the middle. I think that was a bit ambitious. It's a grey spring. Anyway, we'll see.